Hey everyone, welcome back to Home Fitness Zone. Today we're going to tackle a full body workout featuring one of the most effective exercises, burpees. Let's get started. First, let's warm up to prepare our bodies. Follow along with me. First, jumping jacks. 1 minute, let's start with jumping jacks. Get your heart rate up. Second, arm circles. 30 seconds each direction. Now, arm circles forward. And now, backward. Third, leg swings. 30 seconds each leg. Swing your legs forward and back to loosen up those hips. Great! Now we're ready for the main workout. We'll do burpees for a set duration, followed by a short rest. Let's aim for 30 seconds of burpees, followed by 15 seconds of rest. Ready? Burpees day, 30 seconds, go. Remember to keep your form tight. Squat down, jump back, push up if you want. Jump forward and explode up. Rest on 15 seconds. Catch your breath. You've got this. Repeat for 5 rounds. Let's go again. 30 seconds of burpees, then 15 seconds of rest. Keep pushing. Awesome job, everyone. Now let's cool down. Forward fold stretch. 30 seconds. Breathe deeply as you reach for your toes. Child's pose. 30 seconds. Sink back into child's pose to stretch your back. Shoulder stretch. 30 seconds each side. Cross one arm over your chest and hold. Switch sides. You did amazing today. Burpees are tough, but they're incredibly rewarding. If you enjoyed this workout, please like and subscribe for more.